guys, welcome back to the kitchen, you guys. Today's video, you guys, is some homemade delicious biscuits. We only using three ingredients, and we gonna get busy. You guys, if this your first time, subscribe to the channel. Come on in the kitchen. So guys, we're gonna use some self-rising flour, you guys. Self-rising flour. And I'm just gonna go ahead and get me 1 cup of self-rising flour out. Right? This is a 1/2 cup, measuring cup. Because I only want to do a couple of biscuits, right? Just a couple. Because the grandson wants some biscuits. And yeah, that's what I'm here for. So my second step is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shred me some frozen butter. Because you want to make sure it's extremely chill. Don't worry, this is clean. My grater is definitely clean. But how's everybody doing? Good. Because your girl is back with another video. Now I'm using approximately, I would have to say 2 teaspoons of butter. 2. Okay. I don't want to make them too buttery, but I want enough butter, okay? Okay, but anywho, let's go ahead and add us some milk in here. Just like so. And we just gonna work it in. Now, 1 cup, I'm just measuring the milk, right? I'm not quite measuring the milk. Follow me, you guys. You know, I'm not quite following the rules, okay? It's just that, you know, once I had learned how to make it, it was like, it was easy for me. So, I'm just going to go ahead. And I know some of you guys say, oh, she got nails and, you know, woo-woo. My nails are clean. My hands are clean. You know, my kitchen, my rules. By all means, you guys, wear you some gloves if you're not okay with it. So you didn't need the biscuits to look actually like this. You want it to pull away from the wall, right? So let me clean this up, and I'm gonna lay it on a bed of flour. Okay? Okay guys, as you see, I have my dough on here, and I'm just flouring my hands because, guys, you can tell I clean my hands, okay? So before I touch this dough, right? Now I have plenty sheets, but you know, I don't know, you know, I'm just an ordinary mom, you know, and I just have a habit. So now I usually don't use a rolling pin, you guys. I just like to pat it a couple of times, right? Because this is a quick process. Now, I use my glass, right? And we just going to go ahead and do this brim up right quick. Because, like I said, the grandbaby, he wanted some biscuits. And Grandma is going to give it to him, right? So, now you can let them touch. I have seen some that don't let them touch, but I'm not them. You know? So, I hope everyone is doing well. Enjoy your holiday. Okay, and if you new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you have hit that subscribe button and come join the family. You guys, look at these biscuits. Okay, because we want to get as much in here as we can, right? Now, I still have, let's see, can we make room for one more? Because we're going to go ahead and we're going to create this to be one, right? I don't know if we can fit it in here, but we're going to fit it in here, right? We're going to fit it in here. No, that's going to be too much. There we go. We fitted it. But yes, you guys, so here go my biscuits in here. Now, let me make sure your oven is on 500, okay? Now, once I slide my biscuits in, I will cut it back to 475 or maybe 450. And I'm going to cook them for 10 to 15 minutes. So, guys, we are back. The biscuits are ready. You guys, now, never mind these two, okay? But look at the biscuits, you guys. Oh, my goodness. Quick, easy, simple butter biscuits. Yes, homemade. Oh my goodness, they are hot. But I'm here for it. Okay, I'm here for it. Let's go ahead and check out the pour on these delicious biscuits, you guys. They hot, they hot. Oh my goodness, you guys. Now, this what I would consider a dinner biscuit because of how thin basically it is. You know how you buy them biscuits, but from your local store. This is what this biscuit is, right? So now when it comes to these biscuits, I was just playing around, okay? Not taking my time, but wanted a thicker biscuit, right? Oh my goodness, look at the inside of this biscuit, you guys. There you have it. The perfect biscuit, you guys. The perfect biscuit. Now, some of that filling came out. Look at that soft and fluffiness, guys. Can you actually see it? Look at that softness. That is a delicious biscuit, you guys. So I have some good old bacon right here that's going to go with it. And it's brunch time at the Joneses, okay? So enjoy your day and make sure that you love on this video. Like, comment, and share. And leave me a comment below, you guys. And let me know what you think. Oh my God, that biscuit is the bomb. Okay, but anywho, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.